Banff, located in the Canadian Rockies of Alberta, Canada, is a stunning destination renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. As a tour guide in Banff, you have the opportunity to introduce visitors to a captivating blend of majestic mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and abundant wildlife, making it an unforgettable experience for all. Begin the tour by immersing guests in Banff National Park, Canada's first national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Share the park's rich history, dating back to 1885, and its significance in preserving the region's pristine wilderness. Guiding visitors along scenic trails, you can showcase iconic landmarks such as Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, and the famous Banff Springs Hotel, nestled amidst the mountains like a fairy tale castle. Educate tourists about the diverse wildlife in the area, including elk, deer, bears, and elusive wolves. Emphasize the importance of responsible wildlife viewing to preserve the natural habitat and contribute to conservation efforts. For outdoor enthusiasts, organize activities like hiking, biking, and skiing, tailored to different skill levels and interests. Describe the best spots for photography, capturing the raw beauty of the Canadian Rockies. Encourage visitors to take advantage of Banff's hot springs, providing a relaxing break amidst the adventures. Highlight Banff's charming town site, with its quaint shops, galleries, and restaurants. Emphasize the locally sourced cuisine, offering a taste of the region's flavors. Recommend cultural experiences, such as attending Indigenous events and exploring First Nations history and traditions. Educate guests on the park's environmental efforts, promoting eco-friendly practices during the tour. Emphasize leave no trace principles to preserve Banff's natural wonders for future generations. Safety is paramount during the tour. Brief visitors on potential hazards, weather changes, and wildlife encounters, ensuring a secure and enjoyable experience for everyone. As a Banff tour guide, your passion for nature and knowledge of the area create an unforgettable journey for tourists, fostering an appreciation for the remarkable beauty of Canada's Rocky Mountains and fostering a deep respect for the environment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.